This is a video to show you how to advance the timing on your ZZR1200. First thing to do is remove all the panels so you can access the left side timing cover, and you can see inside here is your rotor and the pickup. Once you get this open, you need to first find the T on the rotor. That's your top dead center, and align the crank with this nut so that it's in line with the hash marker behind the rotor there. I put a little dab of white paint on it, a little house primer, drywall primer paint on there, so we can see it a little easier. So I have this timing marker lined up. I've got an extra black mark below the timing marker. I'm going to use that later. So to take the rotor off, you're going to hold this nut with a wrench and loosen this Allen head. Make sure you're at top dead center before you take it off, like I said, if you're going to measure it. I'm going to measure this with a timing light, so that's why I did that. So what we're going to do is take the rotor off, and what I've done to the rotor is I kind of hacked it up and I put a lot of clearance over on the right side of the alignment pin slot. I got way too much in there. My Dremel went crazy and I dug that out too far, but that's okay. All you need is a little bit of room so you can turn this a little bit counterclockwise. We don't need to turn it a lot, so when we bolt it back together, we're going to turn this counterclockwise a little bit and tighten this nut up. Where we want to position it radially is the F&T markers are 10 degrees apart, and I measured this with a pair of dial calipers, and this is about 1/4 inch between the F and T, so that's about 25 thousandths per degree. So for 4 degrees advanced, we want to set our caliper at 100 thousandths, or a little less than 100 thousandths. I have mine a little bit less than 100 thousandths, 96 thousandths. And what I did was put a little permanent marker to the right side of the top dead center marker, and made it wide enough, the black marker, so that I could scratch it away with a point and leave this remaining black width here, which is 100 thousandths wide. Okay, and then we're going to take this back over to the bike and bolt it on. With the bottom side of my black mark, I'm going to rotate this a little bit. See, I got it way too far, but we're going to rotate it so that we can get the bottom side of the black mark. Not the top side of the black mark is top dead center. The bottom side of the black mark is what I'm marking for 4 degrees over. Put the bolt in, lock it down, and then we're going to do a timing light test to measure that from top dead center, the top edge of my black mark, to the bottom edge of my black mark where I put it now, that measures 4 degrees with a timing light. That'll be the upcoming video.